These are key life hacks. Check them out. Ladies, so you're walking to your car and you're a little bit scared, it's dark and you're not real comfortable. Maybe there's a creepy van parked next to your car now and you're by yourself. Here's what you do. First of all, if you've got it, use your fob, set off the alarm. No one's going to hunker down behind the car with the alarm going off. That'll shoot somebody out there, give them a chance to get away if you're not comfortable. Here's how you make your key into a weapon. Take the biggest key on your chain. Usually it's going to be your car key. Take your keys, turn them sideways. Put it on your palm like so. Fingers down around your key. That's secure, it's not going to go anywhere, and you can hit somebody bad at them, and that's going to push somebody away. That'll run somebody off. Nobody wants to walk into that. Do not want to hold it this way. Even if you hang on to it tight, you hold it that way, it's going to come out, there's nothing holding it. You don't want to hold it this way. It's not a knife, you're not going to cut somebody with it. You want to be able to gouge somebody with it. Turn it around, like so. Wham, wham, wham. You want to gouge someone with it. Go for the face. You just want to get them away from you so you can get away. There's another one. You're always leaving your house or a friend's house having forgot something. Maybe your cell phone, your kids, your change, your wallet, your purse, your coat, whatever it is you're afraid you're going to forget, or you have a habit of forgetting. You'll never leave without that item again if you put your car keys next to it. Keep your car keys next to the items you don't want to forget. You won't take off without them because you ain't going to leave without your keys. At nighttime when you go to bed, you want to keep your keys on your nightstand. There's a table next to your bed. That way if you hear a noise at night that scares you, you're afraid to get up and check, you think somebody may be trying to break in your house, grab your car keys. Hit the alarm button on your car keys. Your car's going to go off. The alarm's going to go off in your car. It's going to scare the hell out of somebody. Guaranteed they're going to hightail it out of there. Now there's too much attention going on. And to keep you safer, they're going to give them a chance to run away. You never have to leave your bed. You can still be under the covers where it's safe. If it's wintertime like it is now and it's freezing outside and your car door's froze shut or your keyhole is frozen, just take your key and a lighter and warm that key up. Warm that key up, get it good and hot. Just put it in the keyhole on your car. Put it in the door lock of your car. It will warm up those tumblers and they should allow you to help unlock that car. If you're like me, you got a lot of keys that look pretty similar on your keychain. Take a dot of fingernail polish and mark it with a different color. That fingernail polish sticker right there is going to last a long time and help you fumbling with your keys in the future. You'll be glad you did it.